مولاي صل وسلم دائما.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear audience, قال الله تعالى في كتابه المجيد إن الدين عند الله الإسلام. صدق الله العظيم. According to the Quranic verses, God likes for humanity a religion which called Islam. And Quran says that Allah likes for you the conduct of life. That's name is Islam. Islam is total and complete guideline for humanity. And there is difference between Islam and Iman. Islam is the knowledge of leading the life guidelines. Islam is the name of act. Islam is the name of activism. Islam is the name of set of rules for that are set to lead the well-balanced and good life. According to Islam, Islam says believe in God, offer prayer, give zakat, observe the humanity and keep fasts, and perform the Hajj. All these elements declares that Islam tries to maintain its followers to the activism. If you want to lead your life in an active sense, you want to make your life balanced, you should try to follow the Islam, because the teachings of Islam gives its follower to come forward and be active and discover the world, see the world and see the new horizons in the world. So therefore, my dear audiences, I advise today, according to the Islamic point of view, to all the humanity, come and read Quran, read its teachings, and try to find out the right way for your life. God bless all of us, and God give us the right way where we need to go. Inshallah, wa ma alayna illa al-balagh al-mubin.
مولاي صل